So today we're gonna give this little guy a haircut. Much needed haircut. His hair is really long, and as you can see in the back, it's very long. So I'm gonna be using this kit for taking a haircut. It's the wall trimmer, and I think he's ready. I just told him that he's gonna get a little special treat afterwards. Hey Noah, are you ready for your haircut? Noah, you ready for your haircut?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So just relax in there, okay? I'm going to turn you over and I'm going to start cutting your hair. I'm just going to put this thing around him so he doesn't get hair over him and he's not going to get itchy. So, no, let me just put this around your neck, okay? I know you can't see your thing. Okay, there you go. Is that better? I just don't want the hair to get on you, okay? Okay, you ready?
Show you part of books.
Okay. So let's start off with a number 6, which is a 3/4 inch, 19 millimeter. So let me. So let's see here. Where's the? It's not working.
Yay, we squeaking his hair off. No, she's just
Oh,
cutting it.
little curls.
Mommy, it's okay. He actually has too much curls.
It's okay. No, it's okay. Just relax.
He's
Just
scared.
He's not. Don't say that, Neil. He's not scared. He's a big boy.
He's just playing. I think it might just tickle.
Just tickles a tiny bit. It's okay. Just play with your game. Oh no, I'm gonna miss all those little curls.
They're gonna grow back, Mommy.
Go back.
Because they're actually hair that does not stay
It's okay
so
now.
for Your tablet's gonna turn off. Don't fall out, you
It's okay,
bubble.
Noah. Remember, a special treat. Mr. Noah's a brave boy. Mr. Noah. It's okay.
Can you chew mine a little
I'm
bit?
gonna turn yours in a bit.
Chew mine a little
Oh, so there he took off the apron. It's okay. Shh, Noah, just calm down. Just play your game. It's okay. It's okay, bud. Mommy just trimming the tiny little pieces of hair.
Grab you bones.
I'm gonna leave this tiny little curl in the back. Just a remembrance. I'm not gonna cut it. Noah. It's okay, Noah. It's okay. It's okay.
If he's saying it's chicken tickles.
It's okay, bud. Okay, so as you can see, his hair is shorter now in the back,
I don't need it.
but I'm leaving the tiny little curls.
Mine is any table.
Okay, Noah, don't touch it. It's okay. Just play your game. Doing good. Doing good. Doing good with the little curls. So just cutting it to like 2 inches above, like here. 2 inches.
Squeepy? What do you say? Squeepy. Squeepy things like you on my board.
Like leaving the tiny little curls.
We'll keep the box right here. Now we're good. Never mind. Do the extra paper. I need to go somewhere. I don't need a
So the next step is to cut the top of the hair like so, like angled, like this.
Do an eye picture. Get gray. My favorite color. Get There's no gray. That's black.
So make it really angled because I want the back to be really long.
I need 4 colors.
I just can't part with this tiny little
I
cross.
want white.
Oh boy, I gotta cut some of it.
Hi, somebody let me pass. You could only put it. I get 6 colors. You get 5.
Tiny little curls.
That is a big one.
A tiny little curl. I got missed a tiny little curl. So, let's cut those tiny little edges. So now I'm gonna cut the front part of the hair. Okay. So I'm just gonna pull it back so I'm not cutting as much. I need it to be super long. I'm just trimming the top.
You need some colors.
So pull back the hair, not like this, but pull it back like this, and I'm gonna trim the top. Just really.
Exactly. Which one you need?
The side, just a little bit of trim.
This come down. The of glue of sing. Squeeze. Why would you need my paint? I put it in a little spot. And then because it's bomb. Becoming the king of Sour Patch.
I'm gonna go back to this on the sides. Just barely touching it.
Number 6.
Yeah, good job. Let's see now. Now, can you look at me? Help me out, see how you look like?
Seems like all these candles. Now you need some. I have others.
So, I trimmed the side, the right side. Now I'm going to be using the left ear taper for the left side. So let's try to use that. As you can see, there's still this tiny little curl I have left in the back, which I'm not taking away. So I'm just gonna It's hard to use. Okay, so hold on, make it to do the little left side, okay? So there's a bunch of hair in this.
I'll wait.
Just getting a tiny little bit of hair.
I got you wet.
A tiny little bit. I'll give Noah a little bit of gummy. You want a gummy, Noah?
Yeah.
See how long that is? There's a tiny curl. Aww. You're doing super good, Noah. You're very good. I'm proud of you. You're doing super good, buddy.
He's just like, oh my, I'm getting served like a king. I gotta get that out.
It doesn't hurt. It just tickles right now, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. It tickles. Is it tickle, bud?
I always get scared when I get mine.
No, like Carol. Oh, no. Don't look at Carol. Look at the little curl.
And
That's
they
my
didn't
curl.
know gummies. 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 Apricot.
Number 6 in the cookie, so there's a little hair. No, you need to stop moving.
This is the number 6 with the candle.
Mm-hmm. It's a birthday candle. Daddy's gonna be so surprised. Daddy's gonna be surprised with your nice haircut, Noah.
Because he doesn't like Noah having all those hairs. That's why he gives him a haircut before we go.
Aww, he's so cute. He's so cute, Noah. You still got a bunch of hair. You just...
That's for you. You're nice to do that. Let's do a game. Can we do a game?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Can you just be nice to Noah pass by over there?
The spooky one?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can have the spooky one. Let's flip it over a little bit on the side.
That one. That one's happy. How we press it? How press this spooky?
So here's his bangs right now, so we gotta trim it up a little bit. So trim it up your bangs a tiny little bit, okay? So let's
Help me, please.
you in your game. So I'm gonna cut this much.
Called haunted house. Please let me pass me the tail. Can change the game.
Okay, go back.
This one's not spooky. Do this one. Do this one. Can turn it up. Can you hug me? Wait.
So let's see. Let's check out your hair, Banana.
Can we trade for a bit?
Aw, that's so cute.
I need this for a
There's
second.
the tiny little curls I didn't get rid of. I got a tiny little curls over here. Just cut it a little bit. It's not perfect, but I still got my tiny curls. Yay! You look so cute, Noah. I think I need to cut your bangs more a little bit. Noah, look at me.
Oh, don't do it there. Do it on.
Noah did it! Yay! What special treat do you want? What special treat do you
I'll
want?
buy you a special treat, Banana. Can I try, Mommy?
What special treat does our Noah want?
What
What do you want,
kind of
Noah?
candy do you want? Strawberry one.
Strawberry one? You're so cute. That's the...
Can I? Okay, we'll go to